Does realizing the Dogelon Mars cost forecast interest you? For the vast majority, the solution to this question will be yes, since Dogelon Mars, in the same way as other image tokens, has acquired a ton of prominence among crypto holders in the beyond couple of months. With such a spike in its interest, individuals want to find out whether they will be a tycoon by putting a couple of dollars in such Dogelon Mars elon or not. The historical backdrop of image coins. Image coins are digital forms of money aligned with specific subjects, frequently humor and fun instead of specialized items and administrations. It tends to be from a web image or some tomfoolery character. Dogelon Mars elon coin are neither focused on innovation nor without any trace of basics. Image coins don't serve certifiable use and have no pragmatic utility like other digital currencies. Dogelon token is centered around networks and is local area driven. These are portrayed by low worth and high flow. The majority of the Dogelon Mars elon are esteemed at a couple of pennies or a small part of pennies. In light of the most recent information, around 124 image coins are available for use. Dogelon Mars elon appeared from 2013 onwards. The very first image coin was named Dogecoin. It is a digital money with the topic Doge image. Kabasu K9 in Japan is the motivation behind the Doge image. It was made as fun against serious digital forms of money. However, the prevalence of Dogelon Mars elon has in the end expanded. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu are the most well-known among image coins and give fierce opposition to the crypto market. Dogecoin has 100 billion tokens available for use, and SHIB token has around 1 quadrillion tokens. There could be no appropriate consuming timetable and system for Dogelon Mars elon, so for $1 you can buy a large number of Dogelon Mars elon. Dogelon Mars Specialized Investigation. The unconventionality of Dogelon Mars elon cost is higher contrasted with different coins of the digital currency market. Thus, giving an exact Dogelon Mars cost conjecture is very troublesome. Authentic information of elon cost shows the passage Dogelon Mars cost was around $0. Soon after posting, the elon cost has moved to $0. However, later after a sell Dogelon Mars sign, it has taken help at $0. In May 2021, the Dogelon Mars cost was raised to an end cost of $0. Dogelon Mars elon cost beat the cost expectations and began climbing toward the finish of September 2021. Constantly 7-day stretch of October 2021, the Dogelon Mars elon cost had arrived at an excess of multiple times what it had begun the principal day of the month. Likened to our forecast, Dogelon Mars has given a decent return. The ongoing cost of Dogelon Mars elon is around $0. The Dogelon Mars cost today is exchanging around $0, with a complete market capitalization of $517,883,857.41. The coursing supply is 552-955-726-479-823 elon, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $28,185,541.01. Dogelon Mars Specialized Examination shows that the elon cost began expanding from October 1, 2021, going on until October 31, 2021. Up excursion of Dogelon Mars cost began at $0, wound up at $0, which was the greatest cost of the token, 29th, 30th. The 31st of October 2021 has shaped the most noteworthy flame with the gigantic backing of volume. In no less than 3 days, elon cost has moved from $0 by colossal volume. In something like a month, a modest bunch returned for the people who have Dogelon Mars in their portfolio. Then bears began pulling back the elon cost, which made a dive to $0. Right now, slight recuperation is seen in the cost of the coin, which might prompt positive patterns sooner rather than later. The long cost took support at $0. The ongoing cost is gradually bobbing from this level. However, assuming Dogelon Mars cost today neglect to keep forcing current move, it is normal to take the following help at $0. Any fall underneath this will be a sell Dogelon Mars signal, and most help levels put at $0. The significant help is put at $0. On the upper side, the closest obstruction is put at $0. elon value needs to break the level to test $0, as indicated by our examination and estimate. If Dogelon Mars can cross the obstruction level, forceful dealers can purchase Dogelon Mars and hold it till it tests its significant opposition at $0. As per our specialized examination with the most famous specialized markers, Dogelon Mars elon's cost has exchanged over its 50 EMA and 20 EMA. RSI is put at 54.33, which is a nonpartisan sign, nor is it in the oversold zone nor offers any inversion hint to purchase Dogelon Mars signal. MACD line is moving beneath signal line. Volume profile isn't extremely steady right now, while Dogelon Mars elon cost expectation uncovers opportunities for positive pattern. The ongoing cost of Dogelon Mars ELON is expected to proceed with similar energy for the ensuing not many exchanging meetings in light of the cost diagram. On the off chance that there is no local area-driven trigger occurring in the Dogelon Mars estimate for the transient remaining parts impartial. Abrupt group reactions of purchasing are past estimate in Dogelon Mars cost forecast. As per market cost expectations, the estimate cost is supposed to show bullish pattern later on in contrast with current exchanging esteem. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2022. Dogelon Mars forecast predicts a greatest cost of Dogelon Mars of $0 the years over. The typical cost stays at $0. The Dogelon Mars cost expectation 2022 recommends the future cost of Dogelon Mars will rise. Dogelon Mars Coin Forecast 2023. In view of the drawn-out examination and information, the Dogelon Mars cost expectation begins at $0. The greatest Dogelon Mars cost figure for 2023 is $0. The typical cost is $0. Our Dogelon Mars ELON value forecast ought not be considered as a venture exhortation to purchase Dogelon Mars. Dogelon Mars Coin Value Expectation 2024. As per Dogelon Mars cost expectation, the cost of Dogelon Mars starts at $0. The typical cost of ELON could reach $0. Value expectations predict ELON needs to arrive at an end cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2025. Elon value forecasts are expected to begin at $0. The Dogelon Mars could arrive at a most extreme cost of $0. A future cost of $0 the finish of 2025. This cost is high contrasted with the ongoing level. Subsequently, the ELON cost expectation shows Dogelon Mars is impressive for venture north of a 5-year time period. Dogelon Mars estimate 2026 and then some. The ELON cost expectations predict starting at $0, and a possible increment is normal for what's in store. Dogelon Mars has a lot of hazard in view of its inflationary nature, according to the past information. Just cryptographic money devotees can play with the image coin for the present moment. Any other way, you can contribute in pause, however you can't rest assured about the profits. As per Dogelon Mars cost expectation 2026, the base cost assessed is to reach $0. It is a sort of karma in light of the fact that the Dogelon Mars value developments are driven primarily by web-based entertainment, publicity, jokes from networks, and related declarations. History shows that image tokens gets back to their financial backers, and the Dogelon Mars expectation for what's in store is bullish. Dogelon Mars cost expectation for 2030 predict Dogelon Mars ELON cost will reach $0. It will be a productive venture. Further, according to our ELON coin cost expectation 2030, the normal conjecture cost is $0. A greatest exchanging cost of Dogelon Mars to reach $0. The drawn-out cost forecast looks encouraging up to this point. Is Dogelon Mars a wise venture? In light of the value expectations of Dogelon Mars, future costs are bullish, and Dogelon Mars will be a wise venture. The development of ELON exclusively relies upon the state of the overarching business sector of that period. While taking a passage in Elon, take a gander at the Dogelon Mars outline.